Yamwachi biem samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam so. Yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwase eni nkwanshen sama odi abreye de edu so no Badwam kase ensam ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti eni edan ya yesi wo ridge Roman ridge ebuagu me kase ye edum jafo edwumayfo mu be du 90 odo won akwa yare sabia yade sansam no ebebro yamam pani John Dramani Mahama so enedi tudwa so kane first lady Nana Konadu Agyeman-Rawlings ye omai ye be na eyi eno ne sembia no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase oko Facebook /Adom TV extra ubenya hwe live or YouTube ya Adom TV tube so go TV 119 DSTV ye 280 na call Facebook /Adom TV media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie se de nsam ni chemu ankasa etie edan ya womu AC Roman Ridge ebe Ghana Institution of Engineering ebuagumo ama me kasai na adwumayfo no bi ewo ho nanso Ghana National Fire Service ho hanti emu be du na de won satumi aka wo de won akwa yare sabia kase no etwaso
building collapse so we are to do rescue mission we are searching for that to rescue them
Biaya Mijnei eye Roman Ridge Accra Ghana Institution of Engineering and Chen Honum eye Adankra won ACA se abrosan ene enyan ntie se ebuagum na fire service en kra omode maye etremu a nipa beye 14 a no mo ye adwuma no mo gu concrete no ebugu mu no omo eprepra sabre wade omo akọ eye 37 aban ayare sabia enti wo hwe machiye a adwumayfo no bi egusu wa hanom a wo mo ehwe kwan a obefa so a obe esiesie no wato adwumadie no so.
So right now we brought all the workers out for head count to see if there is anyone trapped in the collapsed building.
Adom kase Kwabenensia Ridge Accra.
Ghana yamam pani John Dramani Mahama se kani oba pani Nana Konadu Agyeman-Rawlings ene wonya ne baabi ekro no man ebeye na yie no kase no etwaso
ye asantimantem womo chairman ye ntwebosiako chairman Wontumi ene na lawyer for mienu lawyer Ampia Kubi ene lawyer ba ko ka ho na abechia ene enya ne ntiese omampani John Dramani Mahama abechia ebusua no na bra obae no wode tudwa se ewo mu pa se abra Nana Konadu enya ne baby ekoye no ebusua de betu nenim nanso ne na hu behia se ono nso etu ne nan eba ebusua no enchen na obechia wode tuwo nenim se wo mo enka wona komanto ne yempa esanse Ghana eta wonechi wo mo de mpa bo beta wonechi wo kira mami ni modern bo o de abeboa o man Ghana ehu behia pa se mami wo mo ma na state barrier.
All of us will be called one day by God. We don't know when. And so we extend our condolences. Nana Konadu set a record in this country as the longest serving first lady, 19 solid years. And with the constitution we have, nobody can ever break that record. The maximum anybody will do is 8 years. And during the 19 years, she took women's empowerment as her focus. And we know the work the 31st December Women's Movement did all over the country. And so on behalf of the people of Ghana, the government, I want to extend our sympathy and condolence to the family, and to say that we will work closely with the family. We're waiting for the family to meet and tell us what their desires. But I just want to announce as president that we shall give her a state funeral.
Meeting the Prince Owusu Esiedo Adom News.
Kane First Lady Nana Konadu Agyeman-Rawlings ifia this year kwa ha kwachi abusia no MPP amanyoko dwamtena ni chama Wontumi so ekọ ho ono hunu no se wose ye nkaidum kase bi edisi ho ewodedimu
ye asantimantem womo chairman ye ntwebosiako chema Wontumi ene na lawyer for mienu lawyer Ampia Kubi ene lawyer baako ka ho na abechia eye late Nana Konadu Agyeman-Rawlings ne busua ne ma na bra wo bedu ha no wo de atudwa se ho behia pa se maame omoma ne state barrier wo kira ese se eniema oman Ghana eye monument a wo mo ye de ma Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no ho behia se maame wo mo ye bi de ma no se ne echima enso eba wo mo de be kai maame
yo de meka ne se eye Mrs. Rawlings there obi anim say we Ghana for nyina maame yankopon de ne call dudu mu yesro sro say omo onyankopon fa ne to yaja Abraham kokum na dai etwa to no so no ye nyina ne atefo no nyina akwakoka no na che say ayade a state barrier no there I was say ya the manual e beyond that
we hear monument bia we nyina be hwede bia ne hu say there was once a woman who impacted so much on the population Ghana for nyina
to na oye oba na onimnia ope wo opepa na Rebecca said oye resilient. One description says she was a mother of the country.
Meeting the prince Owusu Esiedo Adom News.
Ona yankoyen sanfufromu na Deputy Executive Secretary ma National Commission on Small Arms and Light Weapons Mohammed Gali Salam ene watches Ghana fo ankasa womo akodie bi wo ho a womo de aba no be bosome baako entemuni wa mantam yensemu no 1300 Adom kase etwaso.
For instance, last month you started the G a tour other regions, 3 regions. In almost 1,300 weapons are destructed. A part of the amnesty now, we will destruct those weapons. So you want to see when a person can be my J to be brina, it's my edijuma bo my Ghana. I'm say you bubu ye niegu nyoma biso. But this time, luckily for your commission, for instance, the new bill be ba ebe ma yejuma ye no ebe shemukina amaye. Na sabo na actually say we show now with a 2 illegal with 10 years. Tina o mampenika send the side and this time no yemfanya amnesty for 6 weeks to 1 month to 2 months. Na yematim for no wa wo bi no ompe fabra and I won't say obi a wanya ne kwan paso no fabra ni enja punishment ni yemfa ma ye the all districts of police all those were more than 200 or so no point ye itu say we are civilian na anawe tibe mu na itu okuta na itu no kwa unya na legally but o say umpe you can come and surrender it and unya na legally ya ma amnesty ye nya wo hwe ye mpa ne show fabra e bia usuru say o me de ba police for I'll be intimidated on you know be even the MMDCs, so most of the municipal assemblies are organ. You may see those actions going on there.
Bentwaso na Achomata Chiman any dencha more traditional council no aye yechere ni nyina no fa wonu mo kwan ho e kwan ne nyakura wo mo kwada so mensimo e wa santimantem ho
Day, Anamatu Ankonya, Homo, Ewa Achomata Chima, ene dencha mo so no, Ewa kwada so mensimo wa santimantam ne, wefre kuntunkunya buku giant dia yechere, dia train aban adwen aba wona kwanya ne, titia pansan ma wopom ho, ochiremu se hwe kwanya abanada nde ma contrage na ne, watuna jeje mu amemfuturo ene ya hawo na adehye wo ho enemu.
Yes, I'm say. Every say champion be ma ye. Ye breye tutu ya ma pani kufo be so mu, ono so de na timi anyina. And I go for the buyer as a biabas, I find the coin man. I also say, Obeja, you are not trying to fear catch and say, a quino. But there was me watching. A quino, double road free, which you must say, Eddie Atrani Kedia, Eddie Ako. Yera Mano, Bosome, and Mochi, a asphalt, I manage your manual. I was for Madama. I feel border. And what she as a biada back, why you see. I come here and say, "Onia ni di ani brobia de ma atwamai." Oba no dia so be perform no ye bibia gata oba ye no boso mi ensane so yi ase na say sapetia double road aye ne sapetinya sabia ka mu bida
adehye bia wo mo ka ye kire hu bi ni Adom kase bonkomo na wo kire haw ni atepo ya wa fam finhia zianie e wo sa kwan no so
I futuro kum amafo be senior me kase wura me de wa me da wo kwan wo am dem mo vuto ko a am ye yere kwam kwatu me dey nche etim na best ti wade so ti yesre Ghana mai yesre ma ni bi mo
ku wade nche mo su krona asabia pepa dan ne so am nsuo twa ma me fo nyina da nsuo yesu eni ska de kwa ko ha dan yesre no so se ya maskua obanyina adwuma okumase yi omadi efi so na gira kwa so sa wunya ka akwari ko bro dwuma ma ye for late da ye agira senso bie asa abia se agina ka akwan mu na eton ade mfutu na ekuye ya ba amanfo mma ne toni ye no wansire me yemere kwato aduro na mannom da bia ka na ye bo wa antie sira no pia wo me ye maye na ehun ntoye kakra
ne nyina wo kyeresen ka be ya ban mfa contract ma contractor foforo se de be ya kwan obetima yi atum na ahoto abapom ho.
It was so na Public Account Committee no ayene say adwumayefo mu mpanimfo no wo motena ho ye hwehan so wo kan won ka ho MSKD bi ko so no braso so won so mra no ene won mu edie.
Vice Chair Emma Committee ni Samuel Tamils edi atudwa se wo manfo ye wo ho bom mu e wo sika twiridi a wo mo abo man no eka no safo yi esese wo mo atwe wona so. Committee no ehu dwiri wo mo pa e wo sika bi a wo mo ede koto enema wodo a ye millions bi abra Ghana fo kra enya so emfa so. Chairperson Emma Public Account Committee abena osei asare edi nsem sei ena tudwa fa ho.
Because the Minister of Finance this afternoon just gave a directive that we should price everything in Ghana city, so that if our local power producers are charging in USD and causing us to realize a net exchange loss of 8.3 billion Ghana cedis, which is even more than the government grants of 6.6 billion Ghana cedis that government gave to you to pay the IDBs. I still don't get it.
Vice Chair Emma Committee no Samuel Tamils edi atudwa se wo manfo a wo mo bon sa sikatwiridi keta sihye e wo sesa fo no emra no eni omudi.
9.3 million was your budget, but you spent 12.2. Staff fuel. Hey, did they drive around the world? Budget was 2.8, and you spent 3.6 million. Communication expenses, ECG. Their budget was 4.2, but you spent 7.9 million. Consultancy, budget was 40 million, but you spent 58.6 million. All these you did it on your own without even board approval.
No. Yenyina no so na Adom TV kase no ha na brema kwan no pe wadaroma ya DC. Koso anani ensa na da ubonkrata no any Adom online stories no wo ho. Agudie mu nsem health tips no so etwa so. Radin from Komra Sumdiem na mum here live on Facebook/Adom TV extra wo Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV 2 obenya yen ewo ho live. Adom na dom ye aso yen so na 29th October. Radia yama broso. Radu ye too much. Yada se papa ni awo ye ni sododo. Ye sopa ye ni tiofo ni ahwefo ni abusua ye clients e chiri ne benche ye nyina yada se papa ni awo ye no ye mfe yada se. Me aminu abema honorable Bismarck akwesinsi aboaten. Adom na dom no amen ne ugina mu fe. Nyana ho den nyani tumi nyani nyansa nyani sikabi nye din bi a wanya ana woje Adom bi keke ti incoming Jordan JP anope menchia we
efi amnyo so
na bia boko
Yakopon Adom na so
obi ade papa bi atwede da
mu endie jabe
jo samba
yes yes some ho ye de
oh
no fa some ho ye
obia
ya mo munya we so mutini esori ahomach ne ye bo bra ne gu
o mo reflect wo
mo papa
reflect wo papa
se abrabon de o hihye ne se insurance no ebreso na akwa na ekutu say ba
ya wo kan na say reflect o
because insurance BF ya wo ye bia no it take time to grow
da also
ya insurance cover the amount wo fa ase no
ya wo mo ye na wo da so ti wo quote
efie me say ya insurance cover the amount wo fa ase no said that chimbi
da di that na
wo abra bo no oto ani a obenya baabi di oho ato we dem ka adwumako bi advert oto no wa na ba no asorum se ku a osenyem nam ni sa na ya abrabɔ de amo mo eti nei ma me ne papa kakra hodom omfa ni wa ndidi ochina bi oto na so ya tof mo se da bi wo fa so de ayekutu machi no da so na ja
ofasia dasi
afia ba kwata ba kuro o mai kwa brasa nti so chia
eje no so na ho ye de
Yami Adom.
De nyame ase. Ma menchi anti comfort eh. Mrs. Asante da ko. Anti comfort ano pe ye chia wo. Ejiri ye se wo hwe. Yami hwa papa. Yami hwa.
Yami ase.
Na. Yami ase. Yam ko de no so eh.
Fa Adom online ko. Adom online ko ya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eno ye beba so. Na botre. My system no.
Mami adomonline.com na.
Ti adomonline.com eno ne ye de hyasie. Don't force your lifestyle on others. Mo mo obi no obi tika mu na wani bere ne ade no. Don't force your lifestyle on others. What pressure be am.
Victory Bible Church.
Yeah.
So for
Bishop Takiya boy and all kase.
I think no such the man ko wi mu especially gayism, lesbianism. Ayade anyakopon kire. Nyame mpe. But the first nyakopon so mpenso nche se bi won so a eye ne cast them out entirely. Sebetimi awini bi aba into baby efi say ya eye but mum ye enforce man nkonko ese chinchine afia mankwa ade we mempeti chinchine so nso uchiri so akoye nkrofo na damfo no obi o issue so person so ni pakonya issue
yaka echese
so dia se sade ne so for se enye osi no krese bible nyakopon achi wode kese pa no but e man nkonko ese the fact say wo uchiri doesn't mean say chinchiri obi nso nchiri samamra hol mebo ho ban amamra no be deal with nipa no se echi obi so ye gays wo ye lesbianism Ghana mamre kasariti asad ne nipa kro bedi e mane ko so na akọ hidi pa kwata dem den na ka asem ye nyina na wura da bi e ba ne sadia wakasa na akọfra akọkwa mamra no akọkọ ne etia o man na mra no that is actually mu ye nya fi bo echi na manfo edges of pani anu akwakosi bone yeah
ntia no adomonline.com na ye beto so ye me nua be makọ abai erade na hwe no so akra no ne nabusia na ode ya beka yensen be me na no pay ye nchia we
me jo so a
bibia
na me ato bibia fine take man na mo jede mo pese brother what na say the bra kwasi kan it is easier said than done yo
oh yeah
say wo fia na obapani de ba ko adi na chia ba se na danfo pa no ba ka so san fa ne mra na ma fa ne ma fie obi
ne be ya san fro
ya san
na akoso de cobra na
enye bete za
ade bia me na meti ya
kabi ma menti bia
bia na meti ya no na Ghana ya ye ballot na we work up no
oh na bi early December na e be draw no na ye hu ba bia be kwakoto
okay early December na e be draw no
yeah na ye hu ba bia be kwakoto
ya sha say tire din
draw bishop
oh ya dia tem visa kura wunyae okay akwaso de boda entiase take it na ye to no say we your supporter ya Ghana ban ede wo kwa o ma take it for all matches ana
Ghana games pe yes
okay it means that Ghana be born a match Mexico and Canada you be limited to these two countries
yes but essentially there you have the chance of a court
but me can yet memfo enyen samtwerefo
onya ticket na wo match a USA now the chile border so say me ko he match USA e be mo akọ
okay so beyond Ghana match no yeah Ghana buy fa ho kase obetimi akohwe Ghana match no
yeah
workers as individual betimi ato take it for other matches
yes akwakohwe bi
but uni sa ticket ni bi dia ontimi nkohwe
abi da wo tra ko he wo twa border ko he se me kwakohwe ayi match da bi ye mo tra ko
boys patron chire wona na mo bisa no and mo bisa kwasi dia ba mo no e take it back no fa hwe match bia
o da bi e match bia na ticket
match bia
na ne bo kra
two person ko country bi kohwe a whole match no ato no ticket
aye o dia
na de ko
that's because during that period you wait me kwaba because here bottom na no 3 countries ni na nti up and down no dey be this but dey nti na wo tra ko ni say no we chire mu ansa na wako nya wo nya central ni dey wo chire mu
ne no achi ndie bi eje course nti nim so mo hwe tina jam dia ba no pe wa chire mu dia mo
normally when bind the fans kwa Ghana games pe first crown me ansa na di kan ansa na ya green say ya tra kwa na fe ya the ticket dey aka na so atos
okay
they can bought 3 games in the group stage ansa na ya kwa the next stage
the 3 na ya sa to fro
e dey na ansa bi wa hwe na ya bought training anko bi mu ya koto next one na ya ka
okay
yenye mwa we papa
right but that's a pie